Isn't it amazing if this could be the startup line on a drag race? Hey, anyway, this is Thomas at Lexus of Las Vegas. See the new showroom arrangement here. We got the F Club, the performance part right here. We got the Star LS in the showroom, and then we got some of our common brands on the other side. These are what we call the Club V8. Only these three cars here are back in the staying with the V8 engine, with the LS500 going V6. The GX and the LX, those two SUVs are staying with the V8, but as far as car wise, this 5.0 V8 is perhaps one of the best engine I like. It sounds good, it has a lot of torque. Pretty good fuel economy with a V8 too. So, and then a lot of performance once you go above the 4,000 RPM mark. The GSF, well, Lexus Corporate was here with us just about 2 weeks ago. They were saying GSF will be going away, maybe 2020. So, not just the GSF, but the entire GS lineup will be gone. I'm really upset about that. Well, this is my general manager demo. That means this car has about 5,000 miles in it, white with red. If you want a great deal on a great car, this is perfect. So it's still a new car, just it has never been registered, so it will still be new, but great performance car. People always say, hey, if I'm spending 88, why do I not go with E63, RS7 or M5, stuff like that? Well, like I mentioned in the previous video in the channel, this one I addressed this as the forgotten genius. It's a very good car, very comfortable, very reliable car for you as well. It gives you just enough performance for you to get in and out on the street, but without killing you in the maintenance. So a very, very underrated car. I love this to death. Two of my friends actually bought this and they love it really, really much, and one of them actually came out in an M5. So you really got to experience this yourself. The RCF, just my personal favorite. I do have one myself. Pretty cool. Not RCF, but RC350F Sport. This is like my dream. Same color. You can also refer back to our video channel. You can see my RC350. Same color. The 18 RCF received a slightly upgrade in feature. You have Lexus Safety System Plus, a little bigger screen navigation, and then heated steering wheel. The seats on this one is extremely comfortable. I like it a lot. Well, again, this is my ultimate dream. I would probably want one of these myself. The infrared RCF, this one, only one in Las Vegas. So if you buy this, I know it's you. The LC500, not really the F performance yet. I mean, it's tuned by it has a lot of F sport stuff in it, but then the ultra high performance LCF, also confirmed by Lexus Corporate, will be releasing in maybe 2020 along with the convertible. Don't know if it's hot top or soft top yet, but they will be there, so stay tuned. This one right here, the ultra white with the red interior, this one is the performance package. Speed activated steering wheel, carbon fiber top. Biggest questions between for most of the people is between the LC500 and the RCF. Relatively same engine. Why do people will spend $30,000 more for the LC, and so why not just get RCF? Well, this video is getting a little too long. I'm gonna get to the different I'm gonna get into a different video to explain what's going on between these two. Stay tuned. Lexus of Las Vegas. If you like this video, go ahead and smack that like button. and I'll see you on the next one.